The heat gun is nice and heavy duty. But it seems to be too powerful for my delicate art projects. When I used it on my canvas painting, the canvas started to smoke. Got this for epoxy projects and it works perfectly with the attachment. Gets all the air bubbles. I also love the price, that's why I got it. Use for my business. Love the attachments. It works great. My husband and I do a lot of golf club re-gripping. Taking the old tape off the shafts is always a chore. This heat gun is just the perfect tool to loosen the old tape and it strips right off. Should have bought it long ago. I bought this gun to use with epoxy resin. The cord is very short, which makes it difficult to use. My table is about 2.5 feet from the wall and it's difficult to move the gun to where I need it because of the cord. It's a nice gum and I like all the various tips to use, but if your work surface isn't close to the wall I would find another option. Works very well. I love that you can just flip it and it will stay put. Only downfall for me is the weight. I have arthritis and other hand issues but I manage. This is by far an awesome tool in my bag. I used it to rewire a truck and I used heat shrink connections with solder in them and this took 10 seconds to melt the solder and shrink it watertight. Bought it for a reflow, it worked well. Also, helped me solder some SMD components and some BGA chips. From what I learned, high temp, low airflow, and a different tip, works wonders on BGA memory. I had an underground wire break and had to put a patch on it. I used the shrink tubing to fix it. It was hard to heat the bottom of wire with the heat gun but was able to do it. This gun gets hot with it 1800 watts. Got it to loosen glue on tiles, worked great. Also used it to see if heating plastic will bring back shine. Practice on old plastic, it works, but heat an area too much and it will melt. Click link in description for more reviews.